Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something incredible exciting to talk about. Samsung next major flagship device after the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. And yes, this is our first ever real live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks to the folk at OnLeak and officially carried information, we have got all the juicy detail. So let's dive right in and see what Samsung has in store for us this time. Let's start with the inner display because Samsung has really outdone themselves here. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to feature the largest inner screen on any foldable phone in the market, coming in at a whopping 8.2 inches. This is slightly larger than the screen on the Oppo Find N5, but that's not all. Samsung is once again delivering to only foldable with the inner display camera. This means you are getting a proper uninterrupted full screen experience. No notage, no punch hole, just pure screen real estate. And here is the kicker: Samsung has reportedly made massive improvement to the crease compared to the Fold 6. We are talking about the crease that is so subtle, it's going to be hard to notice. I am genuinely excited to see how this main screen perform in real life. But wait, there more. Let's talk about the outer screen. Finally, Samsung has listed it to our feedback. The outer screen on the Z Fold 7 is said to be 11 mm wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This means it is going to be closer in the size to regular smartphone display. And later tell me you, this is a game changer. No more awkward, narrow outer screen that feel cramped. Whether you are texting, browsing or using the third-party apps, the experience is going to be so much more comfortable. Now let's talk about the thickness. When foldable Z Fold 7 is said to be around 9.5 mm thick, which is a significant drop from the 12.1 mm thickness of the Z Fold 6. And when unfolded, it is said to be around 4.5 mm. While it is not the thickness foldable on the market, looking at you Oppo Find N5 and Honor Magic V3, it's still a massive improvement over its predecessor. Now here we are think get interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is said to have the same 4400 mAh battery cell as the Z Fold 6. Yes, you had that right. No battery upgrade. This is similarly to what we saw with the S25 series. But before you get disappointed, let me remind you that Samsung is bringing the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy chipset. This means better battery efficiency and improvement performance. So while the battery capacity remain the same, we are still bound to see better battery life. That said, I would have loved to see bigger battery upgrade, especially with the larger display. Alright, let's talk about the camera, because this is where I think get generally exciting. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is said to feature a new main camera sensor, and it's said to be similarly to the one of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. How it is outperform and even the iPhone 16 Pro Max, both photo and video. You know this is a big deal. Finally, foldable user will not have compromised the Samsung best camera perform. Alongside the 200 megapixel main sensor, we are still accepting the same 12 megapixel ultra wide long lens and a 3x telephoto sensor. So whether you are shooting a landscape portraits or zoom in, the Z Fold 7 going to deliver top tier camera performance. Now let's move on to the software. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely going to launch with the One UI 7.1, packed with the even more Galaxy AI feature. We are talking about a smarter multitasking, enhanced productivity tool, and AI powered camera enhancement. And yes, these features are also expected to make their way to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is generally doubling down on AI, and I am here for it. As for the release date, Samsung is likely going to follow the same pattern as last year. So we are looking at the mid-July launch. That's just a few months away. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 based on the officially carried information. This is shaping up the Samsung most important flagship foldable after the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Samsung has done enough with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or do you think they could have pushed things even further? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you are excited as I am about this device, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching our video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.